Hello, thanks for coming by. I am Marina Orms, the founder of Astrology Heals at astrologyheals.com. And this week I got a question from somebody who was watching my video who asked if I had any tips about how to bring balance back into your life. And as a matter of fact, that's kind of my main thing. So I actually wrote a whole book. It's called Astrology Heals, the Orms Method of Transformational Astrology. And we use astrology, and this is what I describe in the book. We use astrology to help us keep our lives in balance and to make sure that we're addressing all components of ourselves so that we can stay on track with growing and stepping into our full potential and healing not just our bodies, but our minds and our souls as well. So balance for me all comes down to the four elements, and we have not just, as I mentioned, not just a physical body, which would correlate with the earth component of earth, air, fire, and water, but we have all four components. So this is one of the pages in my book, and you can see that we're talking about not just earth, which is the body and physical world, but also mind, emotion, and spirit. And so we do need all four pieces to be whole and to address our needs as human beings and as spiritual and soul-based beings. And so to really step into why it is we're here in this lifetime, to live our soul's calling, to live and to learn the lessons that we're here to learn so that we can experience the kind of life that we're here to truly experience and step into, we need all four. We need earth, which is, again, the physical world. So attending to your body and its needs for nutrition and good rest and all the physical care that you do for your body, taking care of it, getting help from the doctor when you need that. And then we also have, of course, air. Air is the side of us that is thinking, deals with ideas, thinking, processing ideas, communication, and language. And so it's a part of us that needs to think and work things through and understand them. And so now you can add to the physical world, like not just do you need to eat well and take good care of your body, but you need to understand why. You need to understand what's behind your choices and why you're making them, and feel good and right about that. And that's your mind. Your mind needs to feel good and balanced. You also need, of course, to have spirit, which is action and movement and the ability to express yourself. And so spirit has to do with how we move in the world. It's how we connect with spirit, but it's also how we express ourselves, what we need to do, how we need to be in action, to be in alignment with our truth, and to find our courage and to take action. And then we also have what is commonly left out of the whole equation. We have emotion, which is water. And so emotion is a part of us that needs to feel. And we only truly can heal at deeper levels when we can feel. So imagine, for example, a mother holding a child, and the amount of healing that's happening in that interaction when a mother is holding a child who maybe fell down and skinned their knee, or was insulted, or just needs that comfort. The mother holding the child is healing, and that's what water is all about. It's not about doing anything. It's about being and being present and being a force for caring and loving and kindness. And when we do that, we need that to bring balance to the other elements and to feel right and true within ourselves. So to bring balance to your life, I would ask you to, because we all have balance in different ways. We all have certain elements that we're made up more of. Some things we're more comfortable with, other things we're less comfortable with. And so you could look at what of those 4 elements are needed. Do you need to spend more time thinking and talking things through? Do you have a tendency to leap into action without really thinking things through? Do you need to stop and feel? Are you really giving yourself permission to attend to your emotional needs and for comfort and just to restore yourself and take care of yourself? Do you need more action? Do you need to move? Do you need to do something? Do you need to get out and take action and make something happen rather than just waiting and hoping? Or do you need to address the physical world? Do you need to think more about your physical body and your physical needs and give more time and attention to gardening or cooking or making things or seeing things become tangible? So people who have earth imbalances sometimes have trouble completing projects because they they have trouble imagining something or giving attention to something that has results that comes to being in the physical world. So that's just a really quick overview for you, but hopefully that helps you see how to think about and work on bringing balance into your life. And again, my book, Astrology Heals, is the Orms Method of Transformational Astrology. My method is all about using astrology to help us take care of ourselves. And when we take care of ourselves on all these levels, mind, body, spirit, and emotion, we are able to heal our whole selves and to step into our full potential and live the lives that we really want, to have the joy and abundance and freedom that our souls crave. So I hope that's been helpful to you. Check it out, astrologyheals.com. You can read about my book on my website. And thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time.